everybody for allowing me to review the 2020 Toyota Rav4.
Today we're reviewing the 2020 Toyota Rav4. This particular model wrapped in a ruby flare pearl. For the length, 180 inches. Height, 67 inches. You have a wheelbase of 105 inches with a ground clearance of 8 inches. Right here we're looking at a 2.5 liter aka 4-banger pushing out 176. For the torque, 163 at 3,000 RPM. For the MPG highway, 41. City, 38. Here's the sound of it. Right here we are looking at a 17-inch aluminum alloyed wheel. Now we are making our way inside of the vehicle. We are greeted with gray cloth seats. Right here we are looking at an analog gauge. On the left you have your engine temp and your hybrid gauge. On the right you have your gas gauge. In the middle you have a 6-inch colorful digital display. Now we're bringing it back to your standard steering wheel control. You have your Bluetooth and volume button alongside your cruise control settings. The buttons right here have your interior dim switch with your automatic high beams. You have your gas and hood release. Looking down on the door pane, you have your standard unlock and lock with your one-touch window control with mirror control. Right here we are looking at a 7-inch touchscreen display with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, running the latest Safety Connect. You have your backup camera. Now we're making our way down to your dual climate control. Beneath the dual climate control, you have your traction control. In the cubby area, you have your USB and your 12-volt outlet. You have your electronic parking with your automatic hold. Right here we are looking at your different drive mode: Trail, Eco, Sport, and EV mode. Watch as I demonstrate drive mode. You have your shift knob with your leather boot. This particular model is the electronic continuous variable aka ECVT. You have your cup holder area. We done made our way to the center console. Inside you have your 2 USBs. You have your glove box. We done made our way up to your interior lighting with your SOS Safety Connect. Now we're making our way to the back of the vehicle. We are also greeted with gray cloth seats. You have your air vents. You have 2 more USBs in the back of the vehicle with your cup holder area. Now we're making our way to the cargo area, measuring at 37.6 cubic feet, with seat area measuring at 69.8 cubic feet. Wow, this is pretty spacious.
Once again, huge shout out to First Team Toyota for allowing me to review the 2020 Toyota Rav4. If you need any information about First Team Toyota, I'll leave a link in the description below. Always good people, browse the channel, like, subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.